Hi, I'm going to attempt to give you a little demonstration on this blade sharpener. This is the blade holder. It is, you slide the blade in so that some of it is sticking out. The protruding edge is over the stone. The depth, or how far the blade sticks out, is adjusted with these long bolts. Once you get it set for your machine, you can lock the setting in, and then you manually loosen this, slide the blade into the holder, and clamp it down, like so. All these are clamps to hold the blade in place. The stone is effectively raised up and down with that wheel. And I'm going to plug it in so you can see it run. There's a switch on here. It's pretty quiet. Of course, it sounds like a grinder when you're running a blade through. Anyways, it says you can do a 20-inch long blade. That means there's a lot of overhang on each side. So you slide this, maintaining the blade setting with your hand pressure, and you slide it across. It'd be better if you didn't stop. It's a two-handed operation. This is a little short for 20 inches, but it's cast iron, it's ground. The usual Chinese work. It's kind of rough, but it works. Anyways, you can see here, you turn the stone up and down with this, and there you go. You have a lock tab here. Once you get your height set, you lock this. There's a big round cast part here. The motor's inside the base. What else can I say? I think it works. I watched a guy out in Wyoming use the identical machine to sharpen his blades. He builds horse and buggy wagons, that sort of thing. So he does a fair amount of planing on rough lumber, hardwoods, and he demonstrated it with no comment. I may look up that video, but it all looks pretty straightforward to me. So it's 58 pounds. What that means is, for me to ship this, I've got to find a box that this will fit in, unless I disassemble it. Oh, by the way, this angle is adjustable, so you can match the angle of your blade. This is not a knife maker's grinder. I suppose you could freehand some stuff on it, but it's built to do long, straight edges. So, there you go. I'm going to sign this off. I hope you guys are staying healthy. Have a good day and a good New Year's.